Let us see the flowchart of planning and control stage. Here, sales and marketing department receives customer order for their needs and moves it to the design or planning department. Then planning department review necessary requirements needed for the fulfillment of customer needs and communicates with the purchase or stores. Once all the things freeze out, production starts and quality inspects for any defects. Finally, sales and marketing department ships inspected parts to the customer. After receipt of customer PO, immediate activity is a verification or review. So, verification of customer drawing is the process of verification of customer drawing after receipt of order against enquiry. This involves verification of all the parameters, GD&T, special processes mentioned if any, remarks or comments, other requirements if any. Issue of customer PO. This process involves the issue of customer PO to the respective departments after receiving from the marketing department. The next step is generation of process flowchart. Process flowchart or process flow diagram is a graphical and symbolic representation of the processing activities performed on the workpiece. In a manufacturing industry, process flowchart usually starts from the incoming of material to the dispatch of finished goods. As per ASME, symbols used to construct the PFC is as follows. Let us look into sample format of process flowchart. This consists of details about product description, customer details, materials information, operational details by indicating different symbols and its consequences, etc. Some organizations maintain process management plan. It is similar to process flowchart, has little bit more information about the process and its records or documentation. Operation process sheet. It is a document gives information about the planned production process of the part to the process owners, usually operators or setters. This gives information about what are the steps included in the production process and in what sequence it should be done. OPS preparation is based on the information from the feasibility study process. OPS generally consists of technical information about the production process. Minimum cycle time and maximum quality output are the two major factors in OPS. This is the general format for operation process sheet. This consists of information about product description, operation details, work center details, process details, tools details, holder or parameter details.